how to delete Betway account permanently. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your Betway account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting your Betway account permanently is also very simple task to do. All you have to do is, you can't do this yourself from betway.com or from your account, so you have to contact the customer support in order to do this. And what you have to do is, you have to simply open up your email and just compose a new email to this particular email address, which is support@betway.com. so this is the official email of Betway support team. You just have to send your email to support@betway.com here, and once you have done that, in the compose tab you just have to tell them and give them your email address of the Betway account that you'd like to delete, and then they will be able to delete it for you. You just have to tell them that you would like to delete your Betway account. That's all it takes to delete Betway account permanently. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.